Hey James Taylor, this is Dan Cooney. This is the gentleman who did all of the Coke machines for Sharper Image. He's going to show you what we're going to do to your machine to get it up and running. Hit it, Dan.
Well, first we're going to service the coin bank, make sure it works on nickels, dime, quarters. And then we're going to pull the rack out. This is frozen, so we'll pull it out, figure out why it's frozen, lube it all up. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to put shim kits, but we're only going to go this high. It has to be on this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, right where the curve of the bottle is. And then we're going to go down below. We're going to put a new fan motor in, because if your fan motor goes bad, it'll burn up your compressor. The burlap shot, and it's supposed to be all the way down in the pan, so it automatically evaporates the water. We got the rack out, we'll blow out the drain, so the water goes through, it's always clogged. And cut this wire here. This is for the heater for the door, which you don't need, because it's for the coin mech to keep it warm, in cold climates. And we'll put it all back together and vend it and make sure it works. That should do it.
Thanks, Dan.
Sure.